What if you could browse the internet with more privacy and use AI tools without paying for an expensive subscription? Most people use the same search engines and the same AI platforms every day. But there is a lesser-known alternative that combines privacy-focused browsing with free AI tools. Today, we're taking a look at DuckDuckGo and its AI features. DuckDuckGo is best known for its focus on privacy. Unlike traditional search engines, it is designed to reduce tracking and give users more control over their online activity. But the interesting part is that DuckDuckGo is no longer just a search engine. It also offers its own browser, privacy tools, and an AI chatbot called Duck AI. So in this video, we're going to explore what DuckDuckGo offers, how to install its browser, and how you can use its AI features for free. Let's take a closer look. To start using DuckDuckGo, simply download the browser from its official website. After installing it, open the application, and you can immediately begin browsing. The browser gives you access to the features you would expect from a modern browser, while also focusing on privacy and protection from online tracking. You can search for information, open websites, and navigate the internet just like you normally would. But DuckDuckGo also offers something particularly interesting for people who are interested in artificial intelligence. That feature is called Duck AI. Instead of using only a traditional search engine, you can also interact with an AI assistant and ask questions directly. And this is where things get even more interesting. Duck AI allows you to interact with AI and ask questions using natural language. You can ask it to explain a topic, help you understand information, generate ideas, or simply answer questions. The experience is similar to other AI chatbots, but DuckDuckGo places a strong focus on privacy. Depending on the available options and settings, users can choose from different AI models and use AI tools without necessarily paying for an expensive premium subscription. For anyone who wants to experiment with AI for free, Duck AI is definitely worth checking out. Of course, every AI tool has its own strengths and limitations. But the combination of private browsing and accessible AI tools makes DuckDuckGo an interesting platform to explore. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Bytema X for more technology, AI tools, and useful digital discoveries. And let me know in the comments, would you use DuckDuckGo as your main browser? Or do you prefer the browser you're currently using? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.